Hey guys, so today I want to talk about statistics in BI, right? So a lot of us face this problem while starting out in data initially, like the coding aspect of things are fine, but how do we deal with the statistical aspect of things, right? So like I used to face this problem initially, right? I would take a few courses and forget everything and just keep revising and forgetting. So I thought I would come up with a solution for that, right? So that's why I kind of created this Notion template. So this is what I call the Swiss knife for statistics, I guess. Like that's what I'll call it for me. So the idea here is to, aggregate everything that's there, that's required in BI, right? The statistical aspects of things and just present it out here. So yeah, and the reason why I call this a Swiss knife is because if you just scroll down, you'll see a list of topics, like what are the important topics that we need to know. So this includes stuff like, first of all, descriptive statistics. Then you have probability distributions. Then we have central limit theorem, estimations like the t values, z values, these things, hypothesis testing, and then linear relationships or linear regression. So these are the topics that I've covered, and like these are the topics in a sequential order, what all you need to know. And if you scroll these, right, for example, what's the central tendency? So you'll get the notes down here, right? Similarly, I've done this for pretty much everything. So if you want to know about p distribution stuff, just pop it, like press the arrow there, and you'll get the notes for it. So it has the formula, it has the notes, what it's doing, and all. So yeah, I think it's a pretty handy tool. I mainly made it to use whenever I get confused about these statistical concepts to just have a look and get going. So I thought I might share it with everyone. So that's why I'll be posting this video in a while. Yeah, that's about it. You guys let me know if you have any feedback. So yeah, thanks.